"Oh my God, your room is so dirty." If you have ADHD kids, you can probably relate to that. In this video, I want to share with you the most ADHD friendly way to help your kids keep their room clean and organized. Kids with ADHD struggle with what's called executive function. That means that they have difficulty doing simple things like putting the toys in the toy bin or tying their shoes. And while it might seem very simple and easy to you, it's actually quite complicated for the ADHD brain. You see, the ADHD brain gets distracted by everything. So we start cleaning a part of the room and then the phone rings and we go answer the phone, or we start doing part of the homework, and then once part of the homework is done, we go grab a drink and then we leave the drink on the table and then we go do something else, so on and so forth. And that can be very frustrating for parents because now the entire room, the entire house becomes a real mess. If you want to know more on how to properly discipline kids with ADHD, or any child as a matter of fact, watch this video next on how to properly discipline kids with ADHD. So back to the cleaning strategy. Here's what you do. Now I want you to take a picture of the room when it is perfectly clean. Everything is perfectly organized and everything is at the right place. Take that picture and put it on their wall. That way they can see how the bed is properly made, how the toys are in the proper boxes, labeled toys, how the pants are in the proper place, so on and so forth. Make big circles around the bed saying, step number 1, bed clean. Step number 2, toys in toy box. And have detailed pictures of each step. So it could be almost like a collage where there's the main picture and then small pictures showing each step that needs to be done. This guides the ADHD brain through every single step, and the ADHD brain sees what needs to be done. This will help your child properly understand what needs to be done to clean their room, because there's a clear set of instructions. Step number 1, do the bed like this. Step number 2, put the shoes in this area. Step number 3, so on and so forth. And then they can go through that visual checklist to make sure everything is done properly. If you like this tip, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to find out if Daddyology is right for you, there's a link in the description down below where you can write to us and we'll have a one-on-one conversation to see if we are a right fit to help you and your ADHD child. Cheers and bye for now.